Hello, this is my Spring 17 and REST API. This task was really interesting, so it was hard to stop and to provide some features. First of all, I've changed version of Java from 17 to 21, and after that I had to change imports from Javax into Jakarta, and after that I've changed security config, so I've provide for all requests permission for authorized user and for authorization endpoint, and for Swagger I provide permission for all user. I decided to add Swagger and to have possibility to see how our new endpoints will work. And after I add Swagger, I understood that I need to add a Swagger config to provide a barrier token to have possibility to log in, to know what user sent for us request, and to understand can I permit or have access, give him access to this endpoint. So I had to add DVT token, and I've add a login controller that will provide this our token, and for it I've create same key that is provided by Duty Key Manager. As for authorized controller, the same key will be provided into authorization filter to have possibility to check whether this token is valid. And after all that, I've add DTO. So I've add user DTO and add to-do DTO to use them on controller level. And to service, I've provide user repository to read, update it, and also I've changed user service interface and to-do service interface that it understands that we need to use user DTO. So if we use user DTO, we have to add mappers. So I've added mappers that view entity from user DTO and user role, and also mappers that map user entity into DTO. The same, I've added mappers for to-do, and also I've added controller for user, provide for them some pre-authorization rules. I would like to improve it, that for deletion and for read I also want to add a possibility for current users that log in to do this, but I will try to do for next sprint. And also I've added a controller for to do. And let's take a look how it works. So for example, let's reload. So here is my Swagger, and we have CRUD API here, and we have to do CRUD user CRUD and to do CRUD, and authorizations that is public. So let's authorize as user and get it barrier token. So we have barrier token for user. We can take a look that when we are not sending duty, the response will be unauthorized 401. The same for to-do CRUD. We can try it. Some number of ID, and the same is told us that we are unauthorized. So let's take our token. We can see that our token is for user role, so we are logged in as a user now, authorized as a user, and let's try to create some other user, and we'll have no, not update, sorry. Create some. We can try it, and it will tell us that it's forbidden because I've had possibility to create only for admin. So let's log out and let's log in as admin. And now if we send authorization token will be barrier token. Let's see its role. So this is role admin, and when we try to do same things with this one token, we will see that for 109 this one email already exists. So we need to change, let's see our users. We need to change email to not existed, new email, and try it, and we can see that user with new email and with role 1 that is represented by admin now was created. Also what we can try, we can read all user, and now we can see list of all our users. What else? We can delete user. Let's try it. So we can delete user by ID. Let's provide ID 25 and execute it. Now we see that user was deleted and response to 100. If we execute one more time, we will have response for 104 because such user does not exist anymore. And we can try to read user by its ID, and let's read user 20 with ID 24, and we can see that it's new name, user, and Roman. We can also try to update it. Let's do it. So let's provide, we'll provide ID here, and we'll name him Roman, new Roman, let's be the same password and execute it, and now we can see that Roman was created. Here we can see hash for password. I will improve it and remove, I guess, this from a response. Okay, and what else? Also, we can take a look some controllers for to do. Let's collapse it and try some to do CRUD, and let's look what to do we have. So we can try unexisted to do, and it will send us error 404. Yeah, I didn't show you that I've create a conflict exception and also improved global exception handler. And so if we read to do 12, we'll have this information about this to do. And let's try to delete it, for example, and this to do was deleted. Or we can update, for example, our to do. Let's try it out. So we need to provide ID. Let's change to do with ID 8 and provide it new interesting title, and owner will be the same or not the same. Let's take a look what owner do we have now. Yeah, we have owner 24, it's our Roman, and execute, and we'll see that now it's our new interesting title. And yes, this is most of what I have to show. Thank you.